Welcome to the Hot Water Solutions quick look inside a heat pump water heater. Are you curious how a heat pump water heater works? Here's a simple explanation of this smart system. A heat pump water heater collects and transfers heat from the room's surrounding air to make water in the tank hotter. By transferring heat rather than creating it, heat pump technology is 300 to 400% more efficient than electric resistance heating. Every watt of energy consumed produces 3 to 4 watts worth of hot water. A refrigerant is key to this efficiency. It is what moves heat from one place to another. As it absorbs heat, the refrigerant changes from a liquid to a gas and back into a liquid as it releases it. Let's look at the 4 main components of how the refrigerant is heated and delivered to hot water by the heat pump water heater. The evaporator is where the process begins. The fan pulls in surrounding room air to warm the evaporator and refrigerant inside. As heat is transferred from the air to the evaporator, the refrigerant changes from a liquid to a gas. The newly heated refrigerant gas travels to the compressor where it is pressurized, increasing the temperature. This step is crucial to bring the refrigerant to a high enough temperature to heat the water. The compressed refrigerant gas then flows through a long winding condenser coil, typically made from aluminum or copper. During this process, the refrigerant becomes a liquid again, transferring heat to the water in the tank. Then, the refrigerant passes through the expansion valve. This valve lowers the refrigerant's pressure, cooling the liquid refrigerant even more so it can absorb heat from the air again. The cycle continues until the water reaches the set temperature. As warm air passes over the cool evaporator, it collects moisture in the form of condensation while expelling cooler, drier air back into the room. The collected non-acidic condensation exits the heat pump through a drainage tube to a nearby drain or outside the home. Transferring heat by a heat pump is a water heater's most efficient mode. However, most units come with electric resistance elements as a backup to heat water during high demand or when ambient temperatures are outside of the heat pump's operating range. To learn more, visit hotwatersolutionsnorthwest.org.